Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a window that allows you to enjoy natural ventilation while keeping your interior quiet and comfortable? Today, we're going to introduce you to the amazing features and uniqueness of the Champion-era tilt and turn casement window and why it's the best choice for your home. Champion-era tilt and turn casement window is delicately constructed as windows that tilt and turn. It allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. This design not only provides all-around ventilation, but also ensures that the window remains solid and secure in any open position. Next, let's dive into a few of the notable features of this window. The first is the high sound insulation. It utilizes multi-layer sealing technology and high-density glass, which effectively insulates it from outside noise and can create a peaceful living environment for you. Secondly, quality is another highlight of this window. The use of high-quality aluminum alloy material and refined manufacturing process ensures the durability and stability of the window. It maintains excellent performance and appearance even in harsh weather conditions. So why is it the best choice for your home? The reason is simple. It not only provides an elegant design solution, but also fulfills your quest for a high quality of life. In the end, this window meets or exceeds your expectations in terms of soundproofing, design and construction, ventilation, and aesthetics. It will not only enhance your quality of life, but also add value to your home. Thanks for watching. If you are looking for a fully functional window with exceptional quality, then Champion-era tilt and turn casement window is undoubtedly the best choice for you. To learn more about our products and services, please visit the official website of FAMPA or leave a message below. FAMPA Soundproof Doors and Windows gives you a quiet and comfortable living environment.